Hello，你哋大家好。我哋今日咧帶咗小朋友嚟做嘢啊。我哋今日係同啲客人見過建築師啊。我哋咧就做350K 嘅項目。咁等我哋介紹俾你識啦。This is our architect lady.
Hello.
Hello, nice to meet you. It's called Patricia. Patricia.
Yes.
And we have our architect lady here that we're going to see one of our clients' apartment and we're going to check it out. Right, and then also we're going to have a quick chat with the client and to see their request. This is our first point of meeting, so we will see about the apartment. See you later. Now we've been here so many times actually.
The battle over there.
The metro is just right down there. 個輕鐵站咧就喺前面嘅啫。咁我哋而家睇一個3樓嘅 apartment。我哋之前咧就買咗呢個單位嘅。咁我哋呢位客人咧係做350K 嘅。我記得呢一個區啦。I remember it well。嗱，樓下就有一個細超市添，賣蔬果嘅。Thank you. Obrigado. And the lift. Yeah, the one with 2 entrances, really close to the station. 輕鐵站，好近輕鐵站。Look. Should we do a bit of a joke?
With the third floor now?
What do you say? How do you call a lift that don't? Ow! But trap your finger. Is it a cock?
We call it a trapping lift.
A trapping lift. I think is that it? 我哋今日好多人去睇樓啊，好高興，有埋啲小朋友，有埋個建築師小姐。再睇翻呢一個廚，我諗廚房啊要全新裝修啦。Guys,
It's very big.
it's really big, yeah. Tony, gosto something. Gosto. How do you say? Got lots of light. Huh? Too loose. What's light? Loose. 好多空間嚇。
They have a lot of books.
They have a lot of books, yeah. These people are moving out. 呢個 T3嚟嘅，我哋係買咗。咁啊買嘅價錢咧係127.5嘅。咁呢度有啲毛喺上邊，我哋要去處理呢樣嘢嘅。呢個浴室一定要換啊。
I think so.
Yeah, the floor looks amazing.
It's in a very good condition.
Yeah, just basically sand it down. 我哋呢個係其中一間睡房，睡房都好大咯嚇。另外間睡房，咁又係呢啲 parquet floor， 我覺得係實木嚟嘅，就咁將佢打磨一下咧，嚇。浴室要全部拆咗出嚟，有好多啲毛啊！我覺得。There's a lot of water damage in the bathroom.
What?
Water damage.
Okay, I will see. Now
sure.
I'm just taking some
Sure.
measures, okay?
Do you think we got to change the doors? Because the door looks a bit old, don't you think?
And some of them
Yeah.
the hair.
What's your opinion about the bathroom?
Here is got lots of black stuff.
Lots of mold. They need to do some treatment. Probably take out the water. We definitely need to take out the pipes, no?
The pipes must be changes, all the tiles, all the equipments, the appliances.
Yeah.
The floor will be possible to restore. I was talking with Patricia.
Yeah.
It will be possible to restore, polish and varnish.
Do you guys like the floor?
Doors and windows, we need to replace the
New doors, yeah, new window, maybe.
This property
New kitchen, guys. Do you want to have a look at the kitchen? Yeah, everything new.
Oh, it's got another bathroom.
Yeah, Tony doesn't want to talk to the architect, so this bathroom looks okay actually. It's very handy, isn't it? A 3-bedroom with 好幽靜嘅地區，裝修完之後呢，好啱家庭一家人住。我哋後邊有一個小學 ，look there's a school here. There's a primary school here. Primary school here. Yeah, okay. Huh? That could be a nice dining room, couldn't it? The balcony looks massive. The balcony needs a bit tidying up. Yeah. Yeah, just touch yourself, it's okay. Yes, I remember this balcony. Very big balcony, isn't it?
How do you remember?
Lots of surrounding. Because I came here. Lots of peaceful calmness. Good shops. And enough people and nice view. It's got a nice park in the front. And the kitchen, definitely new kitchen. What do you think, guys? Do you want a white kitchen or brown kitchen?
I think white looks really nice in the kitchen.
Everything white, yeah?
Because then it makes you look more fresh.
Yeah. We definitely need new doors, isn't it? They look very old, these doors. Take everything out.
Some of the doors came off the hinges.
Some of the door take off the hinges, yeah.
I think there's definitely more.
Taking off all the yucky stuff. We need to take out all the yucky stuff. You're right.
Then it will look really nice.
Yeah. Then we will look very nice. Do you guys think you can be an architect one day, kids? You don't know?
A place with more light.
Yes.
Not in a bad mood, that's good. We're all in a cheerful mood. So, let's see what Uncle Bruno's got to say, yeah, shall we? Yeah. So here we are with our trusted estate agent, 我哋嘅地產經紀阿 Bruno， 我哋而家傾下可以做到啲乜嘢嚇地產我哋嘅裝修refurbishing. So what do you think we should do to this apartment?
Needs a lot of renovations. First, let me just give a quick introduction. We finished the visit with Patricia. Patricia is the main architect of Sigma Build Company. We already made the report of the main things. Patricia already made the measures of the different divisions, and we already have a report of what is required here. Basically, what we discussed is that we need to make a completely new kitchen, new pipes, water, electricity, sewers, everything, new tiles, new floor, new windows, everything in terms of the kitchen. Everything will be changed. It will be a completely
in the kitchen.
New kitchen. The floor, it could be interesting. Keep it, restore it, polish and apply some varnish.
Yeah.
In the rooms, the doors, the floor is the same. Bathrooms completely new. Tiles, pipes, appliances, everything's completely new. And with all this information, now Patricia will work on the budget, on the calculation of the costs, and also will prepare a detailed budget of all the works and the new layout for the apartment.
Yeah.
It will be very great to see the final result, and even the next phases of the work.
Yeah, I got a question to ask Patricia. What about the water damage in the bathroom? I see a lot of mold. Like, what kind of treatment do you recommend?
Yes.
We will take everything out, like even take out the plastering and discover what's underneath, or like there's some kind of mold treatment that you can do?
That damage, I think that the cause is the bath of the neighbors in the up floor.
Yeah.
So we need just to check if that damage are resolved or not.
Yes.
If not, we need to resolve in the neighbor. But inside it's very simple. We need to remove the plaster and put again and paint with a special kind of paint to protect.
We'll provide some isolation.
Yes, isolation. And a paint with protection for humidity situations.
It will prevent, because normally it's a humid area. There's always some steam, and this kind of paint, special paint, avoids the humidity to be formed.
And for example, what choices of windows have we got? What would you recommend as like it's like a modern design nowadays? It's double glazing, right?
Yeah, we will change that windows. They are in wood and without double glass. And now we will change to new windows with double glass in aluminium, maybe white. We need to check the outside and see what the neighbors did, and This,
I mean, I'm just thinking, like, you know, to bring food, you have to bring out of the kitchen and bring it on here.
but
Because
we will connect the spaces.
would you actually have an open space?
Yes.
But what about the dining room? Would you have it like this? Like,
It would be an idea to study because yes, we have the kitchen. We can maybe think in a possibility
Broke this wall.
this wall.
Yeah.
I don't know if we have a main.
because that's the membrane. That's the
Yeah.
membrane of the building.
We
Yeah.
need to keep this, but I think that we could remove this
Uh-huh.
and that area
And
and connect the spaces.
create a common environment between the living room and the kitchen.
Yeah.
Also here we can see
This wall,
maybe
I think it's structural.
Yes. So
She is more
bigger,
more
larger.
large, yeah. This is structural, but that two ones, I think we can grow.
so
Okay.
we'll make a connection, and then this wall will help us to create different environments. Maybe dinner area, or maybe dinner area here, and living area,
TV area.
TV and
Yeah.
sofa here. Also access to the balcony. Yes, it will be nice to create two different environments here.
I think that as an option,
Yeah.
remove this
Yeah.
this wall,
Yeah.
and when you in the apartment, you feel more
But
space.
natural space. Yeah.
Yeah. And make a
allows
door.
to make a separation
Yeah.
here, right? And then we have the social area.
Yeah.
Separated
Yeah.
from the private area.
Great. Awesome.
It's perfect to do that. We can localize, make a door here, or maybe a door here, to separate the social area
Okay.
from the social one.
Okay. To have a door,
Yeah.
depending on the cost, right? Yeah.
Yes. of
Now,
course.
Patricia, with the owner to decide which layout could be more interesting for
Cost effective and more like, you know, main thing is also how to increase the value of the property.
Yes.
You know, and is it going to actually make it more upmarket? You know, is it worth the money to put the door to the social and the living area? Oh, sorry, living and the
Private.
the private area. Oh, okay. If we remove this door, this
Yeah.
we put the door in there, we don't need the door here. Okay, right in front of us. Yeah.
Partimos
So,
desta parede toda.
You don't need the door here. You don't need the wall here.
E o que é que achas aqui deste lado?
It could be complete open plan.
E partir isto tudo.
Porque já tem aqui uma
Só deixar aqui esta viga, esta, só, e continuar. E partir isto tudo até aqui.
Exatamente.
E também, obviamente, isto, não é? Portanto,
Pois.
tu quando entravas, tinhas isto tudo aberto.
So we have a main beam
Yeah.
here and another one there in the vertical. And we can open
Remove all the walls.
remove this, remove that wall,
Yeah.
and when we enter into the apartment, we
You
have
can see the
the
kitchen,
kitchen, living
and
room
living room.
with lots of
Yeah.
natural light.
Okay.
It's amazing.
No, I
I
like
think
that.
this layout can be very interesting.
Yes, very,
Yeah, yeah,
very
it's
nice.
complete open，即係打開晒佢，keep 住呢一個membrane，即係佢個中間嘅 structure，咁但係打通晒呢度咧，so completely open，
Yes.
成個開晒，呢個成個牆打開咗都得嘅，
Here
咁
also.
然之後 keep 一道門喺呢
And
度
here we will start having access to the bedrooms,
，yeah。
more private area.
咁啊入邊咧呢度嗰邊就睡房啦，睡房同埋住嘅地方係分開嘅。我哋都睇到唔少間屋係咁樣，都比較高級嘅感覺啦嚇。